The Artemis I mission is an uncrewed flight test of the Orion spacecraft, placing a human-rated crew vehicle into lunar orbit for the first time since the Apollo missions. The mission will showcase the capabilities of both Orion and the Space Launch System, or SLS, NASA's powerful new rocket. Communication services for the Artemis I mission are provided by NASA's two major networks, the Near Space Network and the Deep Space Network. For Artemis I launch, the Near Space Network's Launch Communication segment provides critical links with SLS and Orion. The network's constellation of Tracking and Data Relay Satellites, or TDRS, provides near-continuous communication services to the mission during ascent and low Earth orbit. As Artemis I journeys to the Moon, the Deep Space Network acts as the mission's primary service provider beyond low Earth orbit, with the Near Space Network providing supplemental navigation data. The Deep Space Network will maintain communications with Orion while in distant retrograde orbit around the Moon. The network will also help facilitate communications for all of the mission's CubeSat deployment stops. Returning to Earth, Orion will receive communication support from the Deep Space Network, with assistance from the Near Space Network's TDRS constellation. TDRS will be integral to communications during re-entry and splashdown, with NASA search and rescue technology standing by in case of contingencies. Artemis I will begin a new era of lunar exploration, supported by NASA space communications and navigation innovation. NASA's networks are empowering our sustained return to the Moon as we set our sights on Mars.